Guys, it's TechSpherix and today we are talking about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is Samsung's flagship phone for 2024 and it's packed with some of the latest and greatest features. Design and display. The S24 Ultra has a sleek and modern design with a large edge-to-edge display. The display is a 6.8-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, so it's perfect for gaming and watching videos. The S24 Ultra is also one of the first phones to feature Samsung's new Dynamic AMOLED 3X display technology. This display technology offers even brighter colors and better contrast than previous AMOLED displays. Performance. The S24 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, so it's blazing fast. You can easily handle any task you throw at it, from gaming to editing videos. The S24 Ultra also has a large 12GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage, so you'll never have to worry about running out of space. Camera. The S24 Ultra has a quad camera system on the back, with a 108MP main sensor, a 12MP ultrawide sensor, a 10MP telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom, and a 10MP periscope telephoto sensor with 10x optical zoom. This is one of the most powerful camera systems on any smartphone, and it's capable of taking stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. The S24 Ultra also has a number of new camera features, such as a new night mode that allows you to take clear and detailed photos in low light conditions, and a new portrait mode that allows you to take professional-looking portraits with blurred backgrounds. Battery life. The S24 Ultra has a large 5000 mAh battery, so you can easily get through a full day of use on a single charge. It also supports fast charging, so you can quickly top up the battery when you need to. New features. In addition to the new camera features, the S24 Ultra also has a number of other new features, such as a new S Pen stylus that supports more advanced features, and a new under-display camera that hides the front-facing camera under the display. Conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is an amazing smartphone. It has a beautiful display, powerful performance, a versatile camera system, long battery life, and a number of new and innovative features. If you are looking for the best of the best, the S24